We're gonna start with 84 per quarter. Ready, go, 1. So when you play the F sharps, 8th note, lift. Now pay attention to those grace notes. So what I would suggest you to practice is play them evenly. Then you go faster. We're moving on to the variation. Ready, go. Okay, I would like to talk about that. Is when you hold the F sharp down, use your 3rd finger to pluck. And I'm keeping the 1st finger down. So when you do the pizzicato, you want to pull the string, particularly here. See that I'm pulling out. So grab the string from the inside. So from the inside of the string. seven, 97 to the end of the piece, 60 BPM. So this is 6/8 meter, so we're gonna play every 3 notes is a click. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twelve, 16th notes part. We are gonna play single note first. Ready, go. Till you really know what the melody sounds like. Then you're gonna play the double notes. Ready, go. to you is to practice those octaves by landing on the fourth finger first. See if it can play in tune. So it's pretty much a big jump. Although you can also use alternative fingering, which is so it depends on what you like to do with the sound. So